Am I back? Am I back, folks? I should be. I should be back on all platforms. Am I back? Am I back? Am I back? Because I should be. I think I am. Right. Have you got me back? Is anybody there? Is there anybody out there? No, nobody come back to me. Fair enough. Is there anybody out there? Is there anybody listening to me? On Twitch or YouTube, anywhere you may be. Rayon, how you doing? You alright? How are you doing? Right, I am again currently live in 3 different places. Yeah, Freon, how you doing? So bit of a boring stream. I'm just figuring out this new multi-stream method and how I can stream to Twitch, YouTube horizontal, YouTube vertical at the same time. Been playing Wandering Eye. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Isn't it a great game? I've been playing it loads. In all fairness, I've been playing it absolutely loads. Yeah, I love it. Right, so at the moment, okay, what's going on here? It doesn't look like I'm live. But I am live, right? Yeah, I am live on my YouTube channel. It just can't see me being live on my YouTube channel on my phone currently. It's so good. Exactly. See, I told you. I have great taste. Right, baby girl. If I'm in bed, I'm gonna be here. Just leave wandering. I'm literally gonna be sat here. So ain't gonna be doing much. Yes, dear. Oh, I see. I see. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whatever. Right, let's close that. So many tabs open on my phone. Right. Open YouTube. Spat my drink out at that. Oh yeah, the new police squad. Yes, it looks interesting. Right, weirdly, I can't find the new streams on my phone. Can anybody find the new streams on YouTube? I mean, obviously I can on my PC because I'm like watching it, right? Or am I? No, I'm watching the old live. Ah, I'm live there. This is so strange. Right, it's just about catching up, I believe. View your channel. Live vertical, live horizontal. Yes. Yes. Right, that seems to be working now, so I can turn that off. Right. Spat my drink out of the OJ reference, I know, mate. I don't know what to make of that. We shall have to find out. Right. I may now be able to cheat because I'm a genius. So the problem I had previously was that hang on. So oh my god, edit. Do grab that out. So the problem I had earlier was this is the new vertical method. Right? So here's the canvas, here's your scenes. The scenes are then, all your sources are underneath that scene. Here's the old method. Right? And then basically, he says, like pro, if we expand that down, you've then got vertical scenes, yeah, and vertical sources in this box. Hey, Bubbles! Thank you very much for the resub, Babs. Tar muchly, babe. Right. Kelly's got bed. This for you. Thank you very much, Bubbles. Much appreciated. So, now, because I've been sneaky, because I've reinstalled this without the going live bit, I can edit my shit here. Like, I can edit my shit here and on there, vertical scenes and the whatevers, and then, well, I'll just do it and show you. So what we're gonna do, we'll remove that chat scene. No, we're not. No, we're not. Cancel. We're just gonna delete all sources. Delete. 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 It's all gone. Oh no. Then what we're gonna do? We'll add. So we'll add a scene. Add. Think about how this is gonna work. Oh no, it's still gonna work. It's fine. It's fine. No, good. Add stick once vertical chat. And there it is. There's a vertical chat. Hey, gang. That's easy peasy. It's just a vertical chat. It's just me and this header. Right. But I can now edit this. You know, I was positive. Hey, okay, how you doing, dude? Christ, where have you been? How you doing, buddy? I was positive about added alert stuff. Now I'm looking at sources available to this. I don't think I've added alert. I actually don't think I've added alert. That's okay, because we can, right? Have you got double voice? Why do you have double voice? Shouldn't have done voice, that's weird. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Mute that. Now that should have got rid of it. Is that better? La 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 la. All gone? Yeah, cool. Right, sweet. Oh, I see why. I know why. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Right. Yeah, it's just like it's because I've cloned my camera into this scene. But basically, yeah, what I was getting at was before I wouldn't have been able to edit these vertical scenes in here very well at all because I was adding a vertical scene into a vertical scene, but I had no way of editing this vertical scene. But I've fixed that. So now what I can do, like if we want to change where this is, we can just grab it, move it. See, and it's got much better snap in and all that kind of stuff. And I can lock it in place. Because now this window functions much like standard OBS controls and movement and all that kind of stuff. That's my desk, look. So, now, I'm sure there was a problem with this in the way I'd done it. I don't remember what it was. Vertical alerts. There, sources. So there are vertical alerts. So I think I might have deleted some stuff that I actually need to keep. I could be completely wrong. In fact, yeah, I think I did delete some scenes that I need to keep. No, I just cloned them. Okay, so I just cloned those, so they should still work because they still exist. Ah, and that's on there. So now, sorry, if we go here. No, nothing at all. Brilliant. Vertical alerts. In, uh, uh, right. Works on the big screen. Didn't work on the little screen. Why not? What did I change? What did I fuck up? Did I undo? See. Still not appearing, is it? Wonder why that is doing what it should be doing. It's working on the big screen. Yeah. So, so that is them. That is making. That's making make the whole scene start screen on main screen. So it's making it visible in. Why would that? Must be a reason. It's a source clone but extra. So that should do whatever alert extra is doing. It should. So, I think excuse me, crikey. And it appeared there, but didn't appear here. It appeared there then. Not appearing here. So we know it's working. Vertical alert. Hang on, I do that. Okay. Right. So it's working on the vertical scene. Or at least on the vertical alert scene. Right. If I go back to vertical chat. trying to do it as a DSK. That's maybe all I've got to do is do that. That's the extra alert there. Top now. Simulate an event. It happens on both. Like that. I then move that. Test it again. Right, that works. So that's how that's got to work. Shit. And if I add other. If that's vert alerts, and I've added vertical alerts to why is none of that working? Why is that trigger not doing what I want it to do? It's doing the raw. It either are. But it's not doing any of the visuals. So we'll go back to just doing a basic follow. Should get the purple bar. Yep, that works, see? What we're not getting is we're not getting that blue star. Not getting we're not getting the fuck is it? We're not getting those extra bits, are we? And we should be. Scratch, Rob. It's action. See. Shouldn't need to do that. Shouldn't need to do that. Hang on a sec, you might not be able to hear me. Go over. Source. Right, so do. No, because I think this is the other thing. I mean, it's not the scene that's at it. It's the source. But in the same way, same that the work work. So no that here got the. I've added it as a scene. Work alerts. Got alerts. Ah, broke it. Broke it. One sec. Broke stream a lot. Didn't. Hello, Lee. You're right, mate. So back here. Just a sec. Now that I'm back, test. Back. No worries, mate. Hello, goodbye. You're the first chatter in the stream today, because for some reason it's reset first chatters, but you're not really the first chatter. But no, mate.
Thanks, Driver.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, Driver.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So I simulate a sub. Nothing happened. That's great. Simulate. So nothing's happening on my vertical scene. Like nothing happened. Fuck. We got that way. Like nothing happened. So okay, I think the alert is something like that. Because at the moment, if I right, I'll get rid of that. Load up craft. So, he said, you'll load up World of Warcraft and nothing happened. Right. Right, about there, so you can see my Azron. Still on chat scene for the output. So to add, see. It's doing wow. One World of Warcraft got shit in the bed. Bear with me a minute, but people. It's me. Think go gone and vertical gone. That right. And if I link this with now, I'm on the main scene. It's that scene. Switch to chat. it just swaps over. Which isn't great. Not a very nice fade or anything. You know what I mean? It's not a very nice fade between, just go there. And it just snaps. That's a bit shit, isn't it? Is that not very shit? Very like bang, isn't it? It's very in your face. I'm wondering, is that weird? Like eight and first had its own like um scene transition. You could set it to like fade and out nicely. Whereas that oh, show you. Switch to chat on my main scene. Right, space. Yeah, can't show you. But oh, I can show you. Watch. Pop. It just snaps back to new scene. So there's cuddles. Go to bed soon. I'm wondering. It's gonna take a bit setting up. But no, what if? Like, look, I swapped between seeing on this one. See the way they fade really nicely? Whereas this one just snap, snap, snap. So I'm on create one scene in this book where I've got access to one scene. Um, take one scene, add my verb that one scene. Hello, mate. You're right. One scene, add verb scene that one scene as sorted, and then use stream of my stream deck when I switch sort. It just fades between. How you doing, Nick? You're right. But yes, man. I go here. And call it vertical scene master. Okay. Scaring your death? Might not. Character. Cat. Cat. Oh. Do you see what I'm getting at? Right. This is kind of how I had it set before. Right. And here, well, I've updated OBS, the latest version. I've also removed the atom multi-stream thing that I was using to stream to YouTube and Twitch at the same time. I've got a new method by Stream Elements, which allows me to literally one click go live on Twitch, on YouTube in a horizontal platform or layout, and a second time to YouTube in a vertical layout. It'll also let me go live to like TikTok and Kick and all this kind of shit if I want to. So I'm just working out some vertical scenes tied into my Twitch scenes so that when I swap around, it swaps around in the vertical layout with it. Just trying to think of the best way of doing it because of limitations of the software. This is the new method. This is the old method. I've kept the old method alive so that I can edit them more accurately. All I'm doing now, I've created like a master scene, right? And I'm just going to delete these scenes. So you've got to have at least one. Right. So yeah. There. Edit. Name. This is master. Of the precision effort you're putting in, I've got it, mate. I've got it. It's got to be right, otherwise I'm not happy. You know what I mean? I try and spend time doing this stuff so that when it comes to like tomorrow morning when I just go live, I don't have to worry about this stuff. I can just go live. I can just stream. I can just have fun. You know? So we're just going to call this one master. I'm going to get rid of this vertical chat. Right? And we're going to add instead add a source. Number one rule, backups. Yeah, I'll be backing it up when I'm done, mate. I backed it up before I started any of this, so we should be good. So it's date. There we go. Yeah, exactly. We've got back screen. Right, there's nothing. Now, add a source. Add that scene. That scene is vertical master. Vertical scene master. Right, and now we're back to you see here. You see here. No. At the moment, if I swap between them, they're all very clunky and chunky. And what I need to do, go transition, fade, high transition, fade, Show transition. Right. Now all I want is buttons that I can press so that when I press to go to my main scene, my start scene, it turns everything off. Yeah. And I go back to chat. Right. Easy. Actually, let me. I'll stay on stuff. Does it? So, let me have a look. My Stream Deck buttons down. Oh, there. I believe they are actually set action. Yeah, vert scenes, just that. That's literally using OBS Raw to set the vertical scene. Yeah, no worries, mate. Focus on it, dude. Focus on it. And it's switching scene. It's making. Right, but I'm not switching scene. I'm turning sources on. So we can delete everything in here. But you can't actually see what it's doing. If I delete everything here. So, right. So all we want to do is when I press this button, which no, OBS. This is where it could get tricky. OBS thing. That's also release date. Right. And it's on the scene. Call it. Call it vertical scene master, didn't we? I don't know what stuff the we's and us's, and I've done it. My fault. Almost like I'm getting you guys roped into this on the same YouTube. Right, vertical scene master. Source is going to be this is the start scene. Vertical chat. Hidden. And I'm just going to duplicate that. And set to vertical main warrior. Duplicate it again. Needs to be vertical end. There's 1, 2, 3, 2, vertical main warrior. So the only one that should be active is vertical start. So we'll duplicate it one last time. This is going to be visible start. Okay. When I go to start, yeah, it fades nicely. What I'm going to do, I can't copy the action back. Right. What we're going to do, delete that, duplicate that, this, start. This one's going to be chat. In capital, then in capital. Sorry, vertical people, I will be back in a minute, okay? Set to that needs to be set to visible. Then set that now. It. Okay. Scene switch. Chat. Now. See, it fades really nicely. And go back to the start scene. It's a little bit nicer, isn't it? It's not perfect. It's a little bit nicer. You know? It just means that even on using this method, which is more user friendly when it comes to starting multiple stream, having a vertical canvas, using this method to edit it and do all the fancy things with it, and then just inject that over here, because then all I can do, there's no point in having like several canvases open. I can just hide it, just have that open. See? But I can do all the grunt work there, so I'm just going to change. Just going to change all of these. So go end, delete. And all we need to do is make sure that all of these are changed to hidden. Set the end scene. Okay. Go over here. Change this action. And fades out to the end. See? Now the reason I've got main full and main warrior. Actually. Main full when we're. I didn't change anything. Done. I've enabled. Right, that's what it is. Okay, let me just finish this if you like. Sure. Full. start. Oh. Now, start. And full screen. So you're seeing, like I say, the majority of the screen, you're seeing all this stuff down here as well. Of course, if you're not watching. Right. So, you're seeing the majority of the middle of my screen where most gameplay happens, which is why I call it like the full screen, if you like, vertical. But I've also got this one, which is my warrior mode. And on this scene, you can see my Azeron controller here. See me here. You can also, though, see my toon, his health bar. You can also see thing, but you can't see targets yet. I haven't set up targets. But you can see me and my health bar. So when I go, you can see that I'm, doing things with my Azeron. And I can basically do World of Warcraft type things. Yeah. I get out of combat. Everything underneath disappears. You just got my health bar again. My character's pretty much in the scene the whole time. So when I'm playing World of Warcraft, it's quite a good scene, right? So doing that means that they should still be linked, right? This vertical method should be linked to my scenes in standard OBS. If I go start, vertical swaps out to my start. If I go main, vertical fades into my main. You can only really see this if you're watching a couple of versions of the stream or whatever. Don't have an intro scene on the vertical, which is fine. That's not a problem. But yeah, I can swap between various scenes. So that my World of Warcraft scene is linked to this scene, whereas the other scene, like the full gameplay screen, is linked to this screen. Because here you can see there most, you can see the full screen, even though I've got the blurred background and everything. That is my full screen next to us. Whereas on this screen, because I generally use this for World of Warcraft, you get in vertical, you just get a close up of my health bar and everything. You see? And you get to see like I say, in the vert scene, you get to see my Azeron. If you don't know what the Azeron is, it's the controller that I use while playing World of Warcraft. Right? So that's good. I feel like I've made some decent headway in getting the new method, multi-streaming, working. So I do still want to be able to improve both. What do you mean? That Twitch. Literally me, live at the moment, TikTok. This 5 screenshots confirm you are the account of TikTok. Whoa! Why was that so loud? Night. Jesus. Why is that so? Sound tick. Jeez. It's not tick down. That'll be gaming. Oh, I know. Brilliant. Be deleting this later. Night, Rami. Hmm. can't. Which account? TikTok empty. My TikTok. Right. Right. I've resubmitted TikTok. So that really get that set up because I've already fixed a lot of vertical stuff. Right, let's just go back to that. That looks scene. See two different scenes. So why station? Okay, this is problem two. So my main scene in this little square. This scene is changed. Yeah. That is. So I say those, so still a further problem. So let's do this. Bring. So look at the actions here. So it's OBS Studio to set things to that. So if I go stream bot action, this is where it gets a little. So I set up scene switch. Name vertical scene. Make it selection. Then switch. Just trigger. Here for this trigger switch. Should be Greenbot remote. Instance trigger. Instance stream. See event parts. Switch. Switch. No. Switch but see start. Okay. Now I've created those actions in stream and stream PC should send a remote signal out to stream. Hey, TikTok Live's been approved. Test that in a minute if I've got. Is anybody still here or am I just talking? Excuse me. Anyway, I'll set up those actions. Here. Excuse me. Off a bit. If I add stream bot action. Stream bot action is going to be the action that I just created, which was What was the action I just gave? Anybody still here? Vertical scene start. Right. Added that to my button. So now, theory. When I go my start scene on my main OBS stream PC, my main like stream, it should also move to the start screen. I get that. God damn genius. Of course, it's stuck on the start scene because I now need to set up triggers for each of those things. So, what was that line behind the dot? That line behind the dot? Sorry, Nick, where? Soon. Oh, it's because it types it all out. Yeah, it's just the text input. But yeah, it like types it in. I just left it in. So to make a series of vertical start, see chat, see chat, copy trigger, paste the trigger, change to chat, here, action, add action, action, chat, press, chat, back, both vertical instances change to chat. Good, yeah. And then, yeah, so that worked. Okay. This is just to set up triggers. User event. So now okay. Got to add it there. Hey, Richard, you're right, dude. On 12 hours early, yeah, mate. Just setting up. I'm also on YouTube twice, so I'm just setting up a load of multi-platform stuff at the minute. Okay. So now when I go main, all of the scenes swap to essentially my main for what, you know. But I think I've got on there once, there twice, right? Exactly. I'm horizontal and I'm vertical. I've got these scenes. Think night Nick. I'll be going. Right, yes. Get as much of this done as I could before I go to bed because I didn't really want to do it tomorrow. But I think I'm gonna have to continue tomorrow. Right, so which of these? Let's fix this. Oh, I see. Copy trigger. Fix that. So that. Right, go start. Go to start. The main. I switched to like full screen with top of the camera. Yeah, but it looks like that basically. Not watching, but I can go chat. They also that change. Fuck. Should trigger. Chat. Wait. Oh dear. So, yeah, that's top. Now, what have I done? Don't do that. Just thought I was getting ahead and I broke stuff. Let's just send a remote trigger. Remote trigger is just to trigger these actions. Oh, I see. Right. So, check. Yeah, see that being full is the fuck's doing that then? Painful. But that's not that's it. Start work. How was your stream, Marcus? It's got to stop being on, right? Start. Main full. Main. And yet that. Right. This is where it's this scene. It's my wow. This scene. My check. That's okay. The main warrior. Fucking hell, I'm too tired for this shit. Yeah, that's right. And this one. Take a half time for bed. No worries, dude. Yeah, see you tomorrow, mate. Don't understand why this vertical main full is always staying. It should press start. It only activates vertical start. Press main, and it's turned on vertical main, which is the full screen. Right. Go back to start. Vertical main full stays on. Oh, I'm biggest idiot. Still. So. I don't actually. Action needs to. So start. Vertical scenes on start. Main. What I call my main screen. It's on main. But basically full screen down there in the vertical. Go to my chat screen. It's just me and my logo. You know. You go to full screen World of Warcraft. It goes to my warrior view where you've just got that region of the screen and my health bar and stuff and my Azeron. Right, it moves the camera around all that kind of shit. All I need to do now is put an end scene there. And fuck hell, that's too tired. I'm gonna have to go to bed. So let's just get this last action set up. Base trigger, change them to. Then add stream action. Stream to see. So now, start. Okay. Okay. Chat. Okay. Brilliant. That's work. That's work. Guys, I'm gonna glad you can. Fuck. Let's see if we go live on TikTok, shall we? See if we go live on TikTok, shall we? I should be live on TikTok. Let's have that. Phone saying go live, but like, damn. Right. Go. I am live on TikTok. I'm just live horizontally, not vertically. That should change. That did change. So I can actually stream to TikTok horizontally and vertically as well. Are we sure? Successful. want to. No, you can only do only only one TikTok. TikTok live. Okay. Go check me out on TikTok. Fuck that. I'm TikTok. Where is TikTok chat? Sorry for those people. I don't. Oh, sorry. I mean, sorry, folks. I don't use TikTok. Oh, there's TikTok chat. Sig joined. Hey, Sigma. Welcome, man. Just trying to figure all this out. I'm sorry if I'm speaking low, but my partner's already bed. I just started this and I had to get to it. So I just thought I'd say how to go. I managed to get this working. I'm quite happy. So now I've got YouTube horizontal, YouTube vertical, got TikTok vertical, Twitch on, and nothing really has happened to my stream PC. Seems to be working as it was previously, so this is nice. And yeah, if you guys are about tomorrow and you want to join me for some God of Warcraft shenanigans, maybe. Crikey, I actually play some God of Warcraft, but I may also need to faff around with the stream for a bit to start the day just to make sure I've got things set up. But I've been doing this now for, wow, what time did I start this? About 3-4 hours ago. Managed to get this one sorted, so I'm quite happy with that. But yeah, I will be around tomorrow in the morning at some point. I've got to get some sleep, and I'm worried that I'm gonna wake Kelly up or something. Well, so cheers for being here, guys. But I'm gonna end stream now, and hopefully I shall see you tomorrow. But thanks for helping me test stuff. Cheers.